In my last video, some of you all asked me about these. They are the little attachments that go on the end of my glasses to help my glasses stay in place. They look like this. And I did not want to tell you what brand or what I got because I actually don't like these very much. They do an okay job, but I still feel like my glasses keep falling forward, especially when I go like this, it like falls forward. And if you saw in my last video too, after I wear my glasses for a little bit, they do tend to start having marks on my nose. Now, before I dive into these accessories, let me talk about the accessory that's already in my glasses, which are of course my prescription lenses. My prescription lenses are from vrwave, and I have had these prescription lenses for about a year now, and they are still working absolutely perfectly. Look how beautiful they look. Thank you, vrwave, for sponsoring this accessory video. If you have prescription lenses, I could not recommend vrwave enough. I use them in my RayBan Meta glasses. I use them in my VR headsets. Their prescription lenses come in these little cases when they get mailed to you, and they come packaged in these little plastic slips. So I do have a video that shows you how to exchange out your lenses yourself at home, which I'll link here so you could try it out for yourself. But vrwave lenses are awesome. They are available in all different sizes of RayBan Meta glasses. They also come in a bunch of different colors. There's gray, there's brown, there's pink, there's all these beautiful little colors. And you can have a single vision, progressive lens. You can have them tinted or photochromic. You can get them tinted or clear or photochromic, meaning that they transition from light to dark depending on if you're outside or not. There's all these different options, and it is a lot cheaper to get it from vrwave than to get it from the official store. And like I said, I have a video that shows you exactly how to do this yourself. I'll link that video so you can watch it if you do end up getting these lenses. So thanks again, vrwave, for sponsoring this video. And now let's talk about these other accessories. So today, I have now gotten 2 new products with my very own money to see if I can improve this like nose situation of my glasses falling on my nose and falling forward too much, making me not want to use them. So we're going to try them first on my RayBan Meta Gen 1 glasses because these actually have my prescription lenses in them. So I use these glasses every day, actually. I trade these out. So when I get up in the morning, I wear these as I'm going throughout my house and throughout my day. But once I sit at my desk, I use these because I'm usually working and I need to read a lot. So let's start with these glasses. I am going to first test out this. These are little hooks that go on the end of your glasses. Let's see if they fit. I mean, they should fit. I hope so. But yeah, they go on the end of your glasses, and instead of this part going behind your ear, this then makes a fake thing that goes behind your ear. So for those of you with kind of flat noses like me that need your glasses to fit a little bit closer. Okay, so let's slot this in. So I'm just trying to slot this. All right, that was a little bit tight, but there you go. Let's do the other side. Okay, so let's try them on and see how they feel. This is doing a lot, actually. I like these so much more. How do they look behind my ear? Like, is it obvious? I mean, maybe because I have long hair, you can't tell as much. These actually, wow, I love these. I can't wait to put them on my display glasses. But first, before we do that, I want to make sure too that they fit on the display glasses. But before we do that, I do have this other product. So, wow, that is so snug. I can't believe I didn't get these before. These are so cheap too. They were like, I think maybe $10 for a massive pack of however many I have in here. But anyway, okay, so before we put these onto my display glasses, I did want to open this up. So these are little nose pads for your glasses, and they go like on here and in here. These are, as you know, if you have the glasses, they're a little bit harder. Not that it's terrible, but like it does leave marks on my nose when I take them off, which is not cute. So let's try these. They're little silicone pads. They're very, very rubbery. You can see the side profile, I think. They're a little bit bumpy. I don't know if you can tell that, but anyway, let's try them. So they're just sticky, and I'm just gonna place it on here. I just have it on there. This is the other side for comparison. Here's the profile. Hopefully these don't look massive on my face, actually. I don't know. I got this black color because I figured it would match my display glasses a little bit better, but they might not look good on my... Oh man, these look crazy now. Look at them. They're wild. Anyway, these were specifically designed for the RayBan Meta glasses, by the way. But like, I was wondering why one side has a hole and the other doesn't. And I just realized I was 2 years old when I found out that there is a hole here. I think that's the microphone. That is really nice attention to detail to not want to block the microphone. So there you go. You can't just buy any random old ones. You need to buy ones that are specifically made for these glasses. No. Oh no. Wow. These look awful. Wow. That looks terrible. They did come in a clear color. I got the black again because I figured it would match us a little bit better. I might get them in clear because this is not gonna happen in public. Okay, let's try it on the display glasses. Maybe on the display glasses, these would look a little bit better because these are chunky already anyway. Okay, so the display glasses actually already have quite a little bit of padding and the shape is different. I might need to return these then because you can tell that the shape of these don't really fit this one. So I don't know, I might have to return these and exchange them for clear ones because they don't look great on here. Let's try at least the ear thing for this. Again, I do not recommend you to buy these ones. I don't like them. I don't think they turned out well. I wanted something more discreet, which is why I tried them out. But one thing I'm worried about is if these will fit because they're supposed to be for the RayBan Meta glasses, which as you can tell has like a thinner side profile. Okay, it was tight, but I got one on there. Time to try to get the other one on there. Okay, both are now securely in place. Do shake test. These are... Oh, I'm getting dizzy. Wow. Okay, they're still a little bit going down, so let me just pull them a bit closer. But you saw me shake my head a bunch. These are not going anywhere. These are locked in, and considering the price of these glasses being so expensive, I definitely don't want them falling unexpectedly. Okay. Yeah. That's way better. I'm tilting my head down to see if it'll fall, and no, it's way better. Okay, let's see if these will fit in the case now. I mean, they are pretty rubbery, but I really like this. I highly recommend this. I'm going to link this exact ones that I got in the description below so that you guys can get this one because this is great. Look at that. So that's how it looks. Let's see if this fits in the case okay or if we have any issues. Absolutely no issues getting these in here. Now let's do the same for my RayBan Meta glasses. They look so bad on here. And here's my case. It does like squish in there a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. They do squish in there a little bit. See? But it's fine. It fits, closes, charges, all good to go. So I'm gonna link that one in below. I will also link these below because I actually think that they're well made. I just picked the wrong color. So I will link these below for you as well. If you're not already subscribed, I'm trying to get to 20,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And also, if you're not following me on Instagram, I would love to get to 10,000 followers on Instagram. So please help me out, hit my goals for the year, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.